State Parks Edition, South Dakota. We're at Palisades State Park today. Let's go hiking. So we're doing our hike, one of the first hikes out here at Palisades. And this is the South Wall. Some of that rock that we're going to get, the Sioux quartzite that we're going to see everywhere. So this trail is going to follow the Splitrock Creek. This is going to be it. We're actually King and Queen Rock. I believe you got to go back to the bridge over there if I can focus in on it and see it. Over there. And down on that side. We'll take you on that hike and take you to King and Queen Rock later. But yeah, the famous King and Queen Rock are over there. This is the reason they call it the South Wall Trail. Look at the size of this place. We walk down beautiful Sioux quartzite, standing, 50 feet or more in some areas. Just enormous structure or material. And as you come around the stairs and down, you get your first glimpse at King and Queen Rocks. Just a small little shot. So look at that. King and Queen Rocks. Just sitting down here. Water right there, running by. Gorgeous. South Wall. What more could you ask for? Come on. I recommend you, do what you want, but if you do it clockwise, like I have done today, you go down the stairs, circle around, and it's nothing but a hill up. So you go the other way, you gotta walk up all those stairs, which is fine. Like I said, I'm not telling you. Side here and go to the Splitrock Trail, Splitrock Creek Trail. And I failed to mention before that this is hike number 2 out of the 2025 series, 25 and 25. So After that little rocky section, got this little bridge here, kind of natural. And now we're kind of back down into this prairie here. Oh, Sioux quartzite, I mean. I don't know if I've said granite the whole time, but it's quartzite. That would be the Splitrock Creek, and we're nearing the end of this one as we loop around and then go back the same way we came. Down and back, that ends in a big loop, and then we can go back down. There you go. It's approximately like I would say a mile and a quarter-ish. If you come on this one, a lot more rocky, a lot more strenuous, but beautiful in its own way. It's turned into a wonderful day out here. Getting up into the 30s now. And I will say, if you come out here to the Splitrock hike, it's a little bit more rocky, so just be aware of that. As you can see, I'm about to slip on my keys. But whoa! Yeah! And it's snowing, huh? Or it has snowed. Man, this place is crazy. So, this is why I'm not a birder, is because every time I went to try to get these, I've seen a pheasant, an eagle, and now I just saw a blue jay. But every time I went to try to get a picture, he ain't gonna get it. So, I'm like the fisherman, big story. But why don't you come out to the park and see for yourself if you can see some of that stuff. I challenge you to that. Saw 2 people. Well, there's a couple and 2 dogs. The whole time I was out on the trail and I believe there's another trail out here called Palisades. But I'm running short on time. Start of King. The most famous trail probably in the park, and what Palisades is probably known for best. King and Queen Rock. Let's go check it out. If you remember earlier in the video, that south wall, the first walk we did, hike, whatever, over there. We're looking at the south wall. Over there. Oh. Kinda cool. King and Queen Rock. It's just a little short hike out and back. See that cool rock. I mean, what's not to love about this park, man? Leave a comment below on what you guys thought. That was part of my 25 and 25. I mean, I did 3 hikes. We're just